PR series. It's our PR50, and the housing, the mental housing for practical use is very popular in our commercial market. Here is our water tank. You can press it, and then the water tank can be taken out. And we have a handle here. And here is our filter. It also can be taken out. And we have four wheels here to move it.
Yeah, these wheels can be changeable. Yeah, if you want to change your own wheels, you can do like this.
Yeah. Yeah. The wheel can be changeable. This is one of our gift model, and we also have three gift models. I'll show you how this machine operates. After you can see our control panel. We can press this button to turn on our dehumidifier.
Yeah, this is the humidity of our indoor environment, and we can set. This is the humidity that we set to dehumidifier. So when the dehumidifier that we set is lower than the indoor humidity, we set 39%, and the indoor humidity is 40, then the dehumidifier will start to dehumidify.
Okay,
it's very easy.
Press this one to turn off. It's very easy to operate, and the